Every product made by Sleepm uses the highest quality materials. Welcome to Sleepm. Sleep better, live better.
Okay, Laura.
Okay, this is Laura Vasquez from Sleepm, Globally Inc. I show you what is the difference. We have 4 different pillows in the company, but I show you what is the difference, okay, and the names. This is the butterfly pillow, because look at this, how
Yeah.
this is why is this is the number 1 we sells. Is why this sells more, because this is have everything, biocrystals, and the magnetos. The magnetos is very important. It's for people when it's very sick, when have a chronic pain, when have a chronic disease. But the more important in this is not for all the people, okay? Because it's when people have metals in the some from surgeries from metals is not good. For bypass, not good, okay?
People
Only
have heart device and metal in
that's it.
In their body, so
yes, in the body. But
affects,
but it's for all the people. Only prevention, no, it's for these people and pregnancy people, no, is okay.
Okay.
But this is the second we sells more. Number 1, number 2. Yeah. This is a polar bear. This is very good.
Polar bear.
Yeah, this
really
is
good.
Yeah.
Have a memory foam in there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have a memory foam, but this is for people when it's have office in the office 8 hours, more than 8 hours.
Yes.
This is the best. You can put it in the chair, and you release. Very good. Sometimes when you sit down, you put it in the chair.
Yeah.
And sit down. Oh my gosh, you release. Very good. It's for people for driving. When drive a lot. How many people is drivers?
Yeah.
Many hours. This is the best.
Okay.
It's a polar bear. Okay.
Okay.
The difference, look at, is similar, right?
Okay.
This is more thin, but it's latex. It's only latex.
Latex.
Yes.
Only latex in there.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at the difference.
Latex.
The bots.
Yeah, latex and crystal. All that have crystal.
Yes.
But
All
that's
have
latex
biocrystals.
only.
But this is the name is Panda.
Okay.
The Panda is for have only latex and biocrystals. The latex is for persons for is hypoallergenic. This is for the persons have allergies, different
allergy. Yeah,
yes.
allergic.
This is more for this, but this is the camel.
Camel.
Okay, camel. Why camel? Because it's very high. This.
Yeah.
Look at it's more short. It's more short, but it's more high. It's for people when
they
for
sit
people
very
more flat, or when you use 2 pillows.
Yes.
Because this is more high. Is for this is can use it this, but the more pillow we can sell more is the number 1, butterfly, and polar bear is the number 2. But this is very good for me. In my office, I have this. In my home for sleep, I have a butterfly. This is very good. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Laura.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.